Welcome to Look Learn Lead and kindly subscribe for updates.
Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about inequalities. Inequalities are a very important part of any exam. If you want to score good marks, there are always around 5 inequalities in every exam. So let's start with the basics of the inequalities first. Inequalities, we have some signs, that is less than, greater than, equal to, less than equal to and greater than equal to. These are the signs, okay. So the highest priority is given to these two, okay. You can say these are the kings, okay, and after that the priority is given to this. So you can say he is a chief, this is the chief, okay, and the lowest priority is of equal to. So these are the soldiers, okay. You can remember it like this, okay. So whenever between A and B, suppose there is A and B, okay, there is a sequence A, C, D, there is a sequence, okay. Whenever between the sequence we have sign like this, so highest priority would be given to this. So A is greater than B, it would be true, okay, or A is greater than D, it would be true, okay. Similarly, C is greater than equal to B would be true, because after highest priority is of this, second highest is of this and the lowest priority is of equal to. Similarly, for the reverse order is highest priority is of this, second highest is this and the lowest is this, okay. Whenever these are it is very easy. Suppose if we have A is greater than B is greater than C, so A is greater than B, A is greater than C, B is greater than C, you can say, okay. What if they are mixed? Suppose if we have equal to sign here, so then for this case we would have A is greater than B, okay, A is greater than C, this is true, but B is greater than equal to C, this is also true, okay. Similarly for these signs it would be applicable. But what if these signs, both these signs are mixed? These are mixed. What? Let's see example. Suppose we have A is greater than B, B is less than C, okay. So we cannot decide the relation between A and C. Between A and C there is no relation, okay. So we cannot say anything between A and C, but we can say between B and C, okay. In this there is a either or case also. We will explain it when it comes, okay. I will explain it further, the either or case, when it comes in the example, okay. So we let us solve some questions so that it would be clear for you, okay. Let's see our first question. First question, see here the questions are separated by a semicolon, okay. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 questions, 4 parts of a single question. So you have to write it in a single line. How would you write it? Don't waste your time, you have to see and write it very fastly. So see how I am writing. M is greater than equal to O, which is equal to N, and now I would search N. So N is greater than Z, I will write it as Z, okay. Now I will cite Z, Z is greater than equal to I. Now I search I, now I search I is greater than equal to G and G is greater than R. See, I have finished this, okay. Now let's see the first conclusion. It is saying I is greater than R. So I is over here, R is over here, okay. We have two symbols, one is greater than equal to, one is greater than. So I said that the greater than symbol would be having high priority. So I is greater than R is true. So first condition is true, okay. Now let's say second condition, Z is greater than O. Here it is Z, here it is O, okay. See, Z is less than O, it is not greater than O, it is less than O, okay. So this condition is false, second condition is false. Now third, Z is less than M. Here it is Z, here it is M. Between Z and M we have three symbols, okay, out of which we would be giving preference to this. So we can write it as this, that is Z is less than M. So this is true, okay. Next move on to the next portion, that is Z is greater than equal to G. Z is greater than equal to G. See, same symbols are there. So Z is greater than equal to G is true. Next is M is equal to N. See, between m and n we have two symbols, less than, and less than equal to. Between these two symbols the priority is given to this. So m is greater than equal to n, but what is given? M is equal to n. So this is false. M is greater than equal to n is true, but m is equal to n is false, because between equal to and greater than equal to highest priority is for this. So we have 1, 3 and 4 follows. So where is the question? 1, 3 and 4 are true. So conclusion 2 is the answer. Okay, next move on to the next question. Next question is H. Okay, this is also separated by comma, so I will write it. Let's see, you also write with me so that you can write fast. H is greater than equal to J, which is greater than equal to K. H is greater than equal to J, J is greater than equal to K. You have to see the question where it is. Okay, here we have K. So K is less than equal to L, I will write, and L is equal to M, it is given. Okay, this is the question. Now see. I was saying about either or case. Now what is either or case? So let's pay attention over here. It is either or case. This is very important. Okay, so say pay attention. What is either or case? When we have two symbols, such as we have H is less than K, okay, and H is greater than K. That is, we have H and K, H and K. Okay, we have both H and K and H and K. So when the two symbols, two alphabets are same, so for either or case, first condition is subject predicate must be same. Subject predicate same. Okay, and the second case is both condition must be false. Both condition must be false. And third case is, there is either or case and there is a neither nor case. So we will stay in both. And third case is after separation, after decomposition, both must be true. Okay, this is the either or case. Now what is neither nor case? There is a case of neither nor. Neither nor. Okay, in this case, when with two alphabets, that is A and B, both two symbols, either this or this, this or this, or this or this, the opposite facing symbols are involved, then it would be neither nor case. For example, in this case it is a neither nor case, because see, with H, this case is a neither nor case, because see, with H, it is H is less than K, and here it is H is greater than K. Okay, first we would say, see if whether H is less than K is true or not. H is less than K is true? No, it is not true. So it is false. H is greater than K is true. H is greater than K is also not true. So it is false. Both are false. Okay. Now both are false. Subject and predicate are same. Both are false. And we have two symbols, greater than and less than. So it should be a neither nor case. Okay. For neither nor case, this condition plus this. For either or, these three conditions should be true. So we will see some questions of either or also, so must revise it. For either or case, what is the condition? Both subject and predicate must be same, both condition must be false, and after decomposition both condition must be true. You should remember this. Okay. For neither nor case, subject and predicate must be same, both condition must be false, and it should contain all two symbols, two opposite symbols. Okay, all the opposite symbols. Okay, let's move on to the next question. This is our next question. Okay, let me write it. So you have to solve it with me, then only you would understand. So we have V is greater than R is equal to A, and see, A is over here. So A is less than P, A is less than P, and R is less than equal to S. I will write it like this. If you solve simultaneously, you would understand, and it would be easy for you. See, Now where he has the subject and predicates are same, it is the either or, it can be a either or case. Okay, let us check either or. Okay, we have A is less than S and A is equal to S. Subject and predicate are same. Okay, and we should check whether S is greater than A. No, first condition is false. S is equal to A. No, first condition false. After decomposition means S is less than R is equal to A, or S is equal to R is equal to A. I have written this as 1 times as equal to and 1 times as this. Okay, so after decomposition, it is decomposition. After decomposition, whether it is true, S is greater than A, true. S is equal to A, true. So this is the case of either or. Either or. So either 1 or 2, either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Okay, is it very clear? Okay, now let me move on to the next question. The next question is, it is directly given, so we need not to have to decompose it. It would be very easy. S is greater than Y. S is here, Y is here. In the middle we have symbol 2, 3, 4 symbol, and these are all are facing in same direction. Now in between we have equal to sign, so it doesn't matter. These are all are facing same direction. Highest priority is this. So S is greater than Y would be true. Okay. Second, B is equal to S. B is here, S is here, but highest priority is of this sign, less than sign. So B is less than S. It is not equal to S. So second is false. So conclusion 1 would be true for this. Okay. Conclusion 1 would be true for this. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay. In this question we have commas, so we would be writing it in very fastly so that you can understand. So in this we have Q. See, it is Q, W, E. Till E it is like this. Then for W we have W is less than equal to T. Okay. Then for T we have T is greater than Y and it is equal to R. Okay. Now we can solve it. Now see, here we have complementary pair. We have Q is greater than equal to R and R is greater than Q. Now first let us check whether they both are false or not. R is greater than Q. It is false. R is not greater than Q. Okay, because R is greater than equal to Q. R is greater than equal to Q is true, but R is greater than Q is false. Now let's check the next condition. Q is greater than equal to R. Q is greater than equal to R? No. Q is less than equal to R. Okay, Q is less than equal to R. So it is false. Okay, both conditions are false. But after separating it, both must be true. So let's write, it would be R is equal to T, which should be less than W. It is less than Q. R is equal to T is equal to W is equal to Q. Okay, after separating, R is greater than Q. R is greater than Q. First condition is true, but Q is greater than equal to R. Okay, Q is this, R is equal to Q. This is not true. So it is neither nor. Both of these two, these and these doesn't follow. Okay, these two doesn't follow. Okay, because after decomposition both must be true, but both are not true. So this is neither nor. This is also a case of neither nor. Okay, how? Check. We have Q and R. Okay, for R we have greater than, less than, equal to. So we have 3 symbols regarding R. So this is neither nor. Understood what is either or and what is neither nor? For neither nor, for same complementary, these are known as complementary pairs. Complementary pairs. For same subject and predicate, these are known as complementary pairs. Okay, subject and predicate. For same subject and predicate, we have 3 different symbols. Then it is neither nor. When we have 3 different opposite symbols. Opposite symbol means one facing this, another facing this. This opposite symbols can be this and this, this and this, this and this, this and this. When we have opposite facing symbol for same complementary pair, then it is neither nor. Okay. When we have same side facing symbol or equal to, suppose this and equal to, or this and this, or this and this, or this and equal to. So this is the case of either or. for complementary. The condition is their pairs must be complementary. Initially they should be false. Okay. After that, if they have all the three symbols or opposite facing symbol, then it is neither or after that for either or we have to decompose it and both must be true. Okay. So in this case this and this are false. Now let us check E is greater than Y. E is greater than Y. E is here. E is greater than Y. It is false. The answer would be none follows. Okay. Is it clear? Let's move on to the next question. This question. Okay. I'll write it. You solve it with me only. A is less than S is equal to D, which is equal to F. F is greater than equal to H. H is greater than G. This is our question. And now our first is S is greater than equal to H. S is greater than equal to H. Okay, it is true. A is greater than G. A is greater than G. It is also true. And the next is G is greater than nothing. So it is false. So answer would be 1 and 2. None of these, because 1 and 2, none of these. 1 and 2 is not in the option. Okay, so it would be none of these. So it is 1 and 2 follows. 1 and 2 follows. Okay, is it clear? Next, move on to the next question. This is the last question. Also, let's see carefully. This is a bigger one also. So Z is less than equal to X. It is C. Okay, it is like this. Now with C I have N. C I have N. N is greater than equal to B. B is less than V. And with X I have M. So this is my question. Now, first question is B is greater than X. We can check B is greater than X. It is false because we have two symbols here. M is greater than B. M is greater than B. See, between M and B we have okay, we have this and this. Highest priority is this, so M is greater than B. It is true. M is greater than N. Between M and N also, we have this. So M is greater than N is true. So answer is second and third follows. Okay. Okay. This was all about inequalities. So you can try more. Thank you.